Look what came. I'm really excited. It's the spring edition beauty box from Ulta. We're also to go over some hauls that I did at the store and the rest of my online order. First thing is we're gonna go over the online order that I made. I picked up some beauty tools. There was 5 times the points this week, so I picked up a few things that I really needed and I wanted to try. So first thing is I picked up this Real Techniques brush kit. I'm really excited to try all of them out. I actually already use Real Techniques, but these are different brushes that I already have. This is actually a really good deal. I think it was only like $20 for the whole set. I also picked up some Wet n Wild sponges. I haven't used these yet. I want to see the comparison between these and the Real Techniques sponge. They're only $6 for 2 of them, so that's actually a really good deal. These are just some basic Wet n Wild brushes, but we can always use them, right? The eyeshadow brush and the crease blending brush. I picked up this Beauty Blender sponge cleaner. It's a solid unscented with a silicone scrub mat. I've never used it, so I'm really excited to see how it works. These are just some basic cotton swabs. Of course, they're always good to have around. Look how cute this little plush headband is. It's gonna be perfect to use when I'm doing my makeup. And the last thing that I ordered online was the spring edition beauty box from Ulta. So inside there's some makeup and brushes. I'm gonna have to show you here in a second. It says it's $29.99, but I actually got it for $20. It looks like it has some eyeshadow palettes, highlighter and bronzer set, some brows, lip gloss. I'm not sure if the creams are. I'll have to read the thing. And it has some brushes and an eyeliner pencil too. Wow, I'm really excited to try this out. The first thing I pulled out that I'm really excited to try is this eyeshadow palette. Just look at those pretty colors. Perfect for spring. Next I see a contour and highlight kit. It looks like it has bronzer, blush, and a highlighter. Now, I might point out how cute the packaging is. Look at that. Tie-dye, love it. Those are my favorite colors. This is a brow color kit with a, looks like a brow wax. I'm not sure if I'll actually use this. It came with some brow gel as well. I don't think I'll use this either, but let me know if you use brow gel. Ooh, we also have some eyeshadow primer. Next is a liquid blush. I don't actually use liquid or cream blush that much, but maybe I'll give it away. We have 2 sparkly glosses that it came with. Those are really pretty. I can't wait to try those out. Here's a look at the eyeliner pencil. It looks like it has a teal and like a white shimmery color. Really pretty. Lastly, it came with these 3 brushes, a blush, a brow, and an eyeshadow. Here's another look at the inside of the box. I actually really like this box. It comes with a lot of pretty stuff, and it's the outside. Look how cute it is. It's tie-dye, and it's my favorite colors. I love purple, I love pink, and I love that teal color. It's just perfect for me. On the tag, it says it is a $145 value. On my next video, I want to try out the eyeshadows for sure that came in this. So that's all of the online order, but I do have an in-store order that I want to go over next. I'm really excited to try this Tinted Glow Hydrator from Urban Decay. It's actually a foundation. I've looked it up, and it's supposed to be really good for dry skin. I'm gonna have to let you guys know how I like it. I'll probably include it in the next video that I do. The next thing that I have is this lip exfoliator from e.l.f. It's in the sweet cherry flavor. I usually get some dry lips, especially when it's not super humid out. So I'm really excited to see how this does for me. I actually purchased another sponge. This one is from e.l.f. I want to compare all 3 of the sponges that I have here and see which one I like best. Another e.l.f. product that I purchased was this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. The last thing I got from e.l.f. was this quad shadow set. I've never tried out these little shadows, but they're only $3 and they come in a variety of colors, so I'm really excited to see how I like it. This is from Essence. It's a shimmery lip gloss. I've heard really good things about this lip gloss, usually in the clear, but they were out, so I just grabbed this nude color. Looks really pretty. The other thing I got from Essence is this Lash Princess mascara. I picked up this OPI nail polish. It's from the Xbox collection, which is super cool. I'm actually a big gamer, so for them to come out with a nail polish collection based off of Xbox, that's my style for sure. This one is in the shade You Had Me at Halo. I picked up 2 things from ColourPop. It's actually becoming my favorite brand that Ulta sells. This is the Wild Nothing palette. Let me show you on the inside. Isn't the packaging on this just so cute? Here it is, very pretty. A lot of neutrals. but a lot of shimmers too. I love shimmery eyeshadows. I mean, just look at that. Looks so beautiful. The last thing I got from ColourPop during that trip was the Super Shock Shadow. It's in the color Dream Much. It's really shimmery. I don't know if I can get it on the camera at all. Yeah, you see that shine? Wow. I usually just use neutral eyeshadow, but lately I've been getting adventurous and wanted to try all the colors out. The last thing I got in my haul today was a classic most people swear by. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I've yet to try it. Right now I usually use the NYX, but I'm not a fan of it anymore. It's just not doing the job I want it to do, especially here in the humidity in Florida. I'm looking for something a little bit more long lasting, and I hear this is exactly what I'm looking for. Alright, that's all for my haul. I definitely go shopping there quite a bit. I'll be making some more videos in the future. The two items I'm most excited about trying out from this haul was the Urban Decay Hydrating Foundation and the ColourPop Wild Nothing Palette. I've been eyeing this up for a little while, and this, I heard great things, is really good for dry skin, so I'm excited to put it to the test. I'm new at making videos, y'all, so bear with me. In the meantime, please click the like button and subscribe, and watch out for new videos in the future. Bye. Say hi to the camera, Buster. He's a good boy. Are you a good boy? Yes, you are. You're a good boy.